Hello guys, good evening to you all. Hello guys, welcome to Igbo History TV. Who are the unknown gunmen? Let's pretend as if we don't know them. We know them. We know the unknown gunmen. They are angry youths. This shows that the unknown gunmen are angry youths. See how Igbo youths are jubilating over the incident that happened today. See how they are jubilating. They are hailing the unknown gunmen. Why the so-called Orji police station is going up in flames? The Igbo youths are hailing the unknown gunmen. This shows that the unknown gunmen are right. They are the masses denied their right. They are the masses who died unjustly. This is just the aftermath of the answers. This is just the aftermath of the answers. Orji politics is going on up in flames and people are rejoicing and jubilating and hailing the unknown gunmen, believed to have been killing them, but they are doing the mind of the people. Watch out for my next update on the particular incident that happened today.
Orji police station is on fire. Orji police station is on fire. Everything.